Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a nice little movement combination that you can use to give yourself a quick strength training movement snack. And what we're going to do is we're just going to superset or go back and forth between two movements. And the first movement is we're on our hands and knees, and you can keep your eyes on the horizon, or you can just let your eyes kind of lead where you're going. But I'm going to pick my knees up, and I'm gonna rotate this leg out, and I'm gonna gently lower my hip down. This hand can come up. I'm gonna gently lower my hip down until it kisses the floor, and then I'm gonna reverse and start pushing that back up, come back to the center, and then I'm gonna rotate and do the other side. So I'm gonna lower my hip down till it gently kisses the floor, and then when it kisses the floor, I'm gonna push this arm into the ground. Everything through here is gonna turn on to pick me back up, and then I'm gonna do the other side. So it's almost like we're doing windshield wipers inverted, right? So, or right side up. Anyway, so this is it. So this hand can come up, it doesn't have to, but more than likely it's going, you're gonna wanna lift it up. And then when that hip just kisses, just barely touches the floor, you're gonna push your body up, bring that leg back in. We're gonna rotate and go to the other side. So this is movement number one. And this again turns on, well, it just turns you on, turns on your torso. And then after we do that, so we would do that, and if it doesn't look that way, it's okay. However it looks when you do it is fine. If you need to keep your levers short and not put that leg out because it's too much strain on you, keep your levers short. Kiss the ground, whoop, pick your hips back up, and then kiss the ground, pick your hips back up. Still feels amazing. You're still working all those wonderful muscles. It's just a little bit less tension on the system. Anyway, we're gonna do that 10 total times. And the way I count is 1, 2, 3. So we would do that 10 times, and then we would immediately go into the next movement, which is right here. So we're gonna go from here. We're gonna push our hands into the ground, to get to our feet, to stand, and then we're gonna undo it. So we're gonna push our hands to the ground and come back to our knees. So this is not a burpee. It's more of a beautifully controlled kneeling Caesar standing to back to Caesar movement. I don't know. Anyway, it's not a burpee. It's not a burpee. So we're pushing into the ground to get to our feet. We're standing up, and that can be standing up from a squat or a hinge. You can go back down, you can undo it from a hinge or a squat, but you want to control it. So that's 1 or 2. This is 3. This is 4. And we would do that 5 times. And that's it. We would just take those 2 moves or movements and work back and forth. 10 total right side up windshield wipers, hip kisses to the floor. I got to come up with a good name for that. And then 5 total, not a burpees. Kneeling to standing, standing back to kneeling 5 times. So you go 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, and you just work it as you could for say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever your desired movement time was. Now, if you can, ideally, to get the biggest bang for your buck, keep your lips shut and keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and just breathe in and out through your nose. So I'll do one, well, we'll pretend. So it would be, and we'll imagine that's 10. And we'll imagine that's 5. But you just keep moving back and forth, lips shut, tongue on the roof of your mouth, breathing in and out through your nose. It will make you a machine. You'll be strong. You'll feel good. You'll feel connected. It's great for your heart. It's great for your muscles. And it's a great movement snack that just makes you stronger. All right, guys, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.